speed networking. When I tell business owners that one of the easiest ways to expand your network is to attend a speed networking event, they always think I'm messing with them, but I'm not. All business owners, salespeople, and those that live on commission should always attend a speed networking event to practice your elevator pitch. This is the best testing ground to test your elevator pitch in a relevant environment. Speed networking events are showing up all over the world. They are fun, they're exciting, and it's an effective way to make a lot of initial connections in a very different environment from the standard business networking meeting just passing out cards. So welcome to today's episode of Biz Coach and Coffee, where we share business strategies and coffee. Today, we're talking about speed networking. Speed networking programs usually involve people meeting each other for a very short period of time, and then you move on to the next person. They're usually fairly structured in the way people get to meet and how it happens. I mean, most what I've seen is like you have people sitting on the outside of tables and people sitting on the inside of tables. They're sitting across from each other. So the one person gets to talk, give their elevator pitch and talk for 1 minute. A bell rings or a cue device. Then the other person, it's their turn to talk for a minute. So this is a great testing ground. So once each person has talked for their 1 minute, another cue is delivered, ding, 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 whatever it is. One of the inner circle moves to the next person. And it's kind of like a very synchronized dance. This way you get to actually meet every single person in the room and deliver your pitch for about 60 seconds. So you might be surprised. This is where people really get to build starting a connection. If someone resonates with you, then that's when you take it out there for coffee. Now, I got to say something, and I've seen this happen all the time. You're not there to sell your junk. That's it. You're not there looking for the sale. People are not going to buy in that 60 seconds. What happens is you're just trying to give them your elevator pitch, and it needs to be compelling. Give them your market dominating position. Give them the reasons why to take the meeting elsewhere. Then meet up for coffee, whatever it is, then develop that relationship. That's when you start going down that road. What you're doing here is just quick, fast, and easy. Another thing, you are not there to get a date. This is not a dating service. It is not speed dating. It's speed networking. If you're that creepy person who thinks that everyone's going to go out with you, don't go to those. It's creepy. People will catch on real fast and you will be asked to leave. You're there to deliver your pitch in a speed networking environment. Now, what I tell people is the first thing you should do is when you're developing your elevator pitch, go there with about 3 to 4 different versions of your elevator pitch. And here's where you test it. Why? Because if it doesn't resonate with someone, you move on. You can come to the next speed networking event. They probably won't be there. You will be, but you can refine your pitch. So I've taken 3 different elevator pitches, put them on a little postcard, kept it in my lap, and I told them, I am trying out my new elevator pitch. And they were more open for it. And then I would mark the responses on the backside of the card. So how you do it? You deliver your pitch. If they just give you this, or they start asking some other questions like, I don't get it, bad pitch. Mark it down, put it however you want to mark it, but mark it down because you're not going to remember all the responses. You're going through this very, very fast. If they cross their arms and give you this look, you must have said something just not correct. But if they lean in and want to know more, you got a winner here. That's when you take it to that coffee level. Get their business card. Got to bring lots of business cards. Get their business card, put a little note on there. I always put C for coffee or, follow up, something. That way, then after the meeting, I actually send an email to every single person I encountered that I have a business card for, no matter what. The people I want to reach out to and connect with to know more, or maybe we have some synergy, or they could be a potential customer, or maybe referrals for me. I'll sit there and try to set up coffee time with them as well, or Zoom, whatever the case may be. But follow up is a key to this. So definitely give it a shot. You always have to start with the end in mind. Remember, you're not there to sell your stuff. No one's there to buy your stuff. Get that in your head. But what is your goal? Is it to test out the elevator pitch? Is it just to meet connections? Is it to find maybe 3 good people to talk to? I always go there with a goal. You got to think of it. It's a mini interview. You only have 60 precious seconds to deliver your pitch and 60 seconds to receive someone else's pitch. So it's like a mini interview. Take notes during the whole process. No one's going to care. It's going to be fine. You just tell them, hey, I'm taking notes because I can't remember everyone in the room. Everyone will get it. Everyone will understand. They're going to be mad because they didn't think how cool that is. It's a great idea. And like I said, follow up, follow up, follow up. Speed networking can work for you if it's done in the right way. It's fun, it's energetic, it's a dynamic way to really expand your network and turn your business into a thriving word of mouth based business. So get out there, attend your next speed networking event. If you like this video or any of our other videos, please make sure to like and comment us below. You can even follow us. We'd appreciate that. To your business success, this is Biz Coach Steve Feld. Have a great rest of your day.